You are missing out if you're not making the healthiest 3-ingredient cake that resembles Basque cheesecake.
A healthy 3-ingredient cake? I tested recipes on the internet, so you don't have to.
Let's go. In a bowl, add yogurt and 4 eggs.
In a bowl, add yogurt and eggs and shells.
Whisk really well, and then optionally add in pure vanilla extract.
I know she said optionally, but technically we're at 3 ingredients already. And of course we're going to add the vanilla. If we don't, the cake is going to have nothing to sweeten it.
Now add the cornstarch and mix it again.
Add the cornstarch and mix it again.
Pour it into a lined loaf pan and bake.
Pour it into a lined loaf pan and bake.
Enjoy it with any toppings.
Recipe says to leave it overnight if you want the flavors to build, so that's what we did. This is the following day. We topped it with some fresh blueberries, some macerated mixed berries, maple syrup, and icing sugar. Now for the taste test. It looks stunning, but it tastes very healthy. This will be a great cake if you're like on the health buzz, but I'm not. I'm fat. The full recipe's on the Modern Nonnas page. Follow me for more internet recipe taste testing. Okay, love you, bye.